In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in GIMP. We'll build a simple frame-by-frame animation using layers, preview it in real time, and then export it as a looping GIF you can share anywhere. Start by opening GIMP. Create a new canvas by going to File, then New. Choose a size that fits your project. Something like 800 by 800 pixels works well for social posts, but you can go smaller for a lightweight GIF. For clean edges and easier compositing, set the background to transparency if you plan to draw on separate layers. Next, open the Layers panel so you can manage your frames. Go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogues, and click Layers. In GIMP, each layer is treated as a frame in your animation. Create a new layer for each frame by going to Layer, then New Layer. Make sure each new layer has the same size as the canvas, and choose Transparency for the fill so only your drawing is visible on that frame. As you add layers, think of them as snapshots in time. Draw your first pose or scene on the first layer, then select the next layer and draw the next pose, and so on. If it helps with timing, rename your layers in the Layers panel. Adding something like 150 ms to a layer name tells GIMP to show that frame for 150 milliseconds. You can also duplicate a layer to hold a frame longer. If the order isn't right, simply drag layers up or down to rearrange the sequence before previewing. When you're ready to see it in motion, head to Filters, then Animation, and choose Playback. A preview window will open. Press play to watch your frames cycle. Use this moment to check pacing, spacing, and overall flow. If it feels too fast, increase the delay in your layer names or duplicate frames to slow sections down. If it's too slow, reduce the delay or remove duplicates. Adjust your drawings or layer order as needed, then preview again until it looks smooth. Finally, export your animation as a GIF. Go to File, then Export As. In the file name, use the .gif extension and click Export. In the GIF export options, enable As Animation, and if you want it to loop, select Loop Forever. If you didn't set per layer delays, you can specify a default frame delay here. Confirm your settings and export. That's it. You've created, previewed, and exported an animation in GIMP, all with layers as frames. Save your project file if you plan to make edits later, and enjoy sharing your new GIF.